Welcome to GeoChimp. Today I'll show you how to measure an angle. First, let's construct 2 points. Select Construct and then Point. Click anywhere on the board to create the first point. Then click again to create the second point. Next, select Construct and then Circle. Click the first point to define the center of the circle. Then click the second point to define a point on the circle. Now select Construct and then Point on Object. Move the cursor over the circle and click on it to create a point on the circle. Next, select Construct and then Line. Click the first point and then the second point to create a line through them. Repeat the process to create a second line. Now let's make the 2 lines red. Click Format and then Format Objects to open the Format dialog. In the dialog, select the color red and set the stroke size to 2. Then click on both lines to apply the selected formatting. Next, select Construct and then Measure Angle. Click the 3 points one after another. Make sure to select them in the correct order. This creates the angle between the 2 lines. You can also format the angle symbol in the same way. Now click Format and then Hide Objects to activate hiding mode. Select the circle so that it turns purple. Then turn off hiding mode. The circle is now no longer displayed. Finally, click View and then Animation to start animation mode. Next, click View and then Options to open the Options dialog. Here you can adjust the animation speed and choose the direction in which the point moves. Finally, click View and then Show Grid to turn the grid off. In this video, you have learned how to construct points, circles, a point on an object, and lines, as well as how to measure an angle. Additionally, you have learned how to format objects, start the animation, and turn off the grid. We hope you enjoyed the video.